Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by linking Bootstrap so you can use its classes immediately. First, place the CSS link in the head and the JS bundle before the closing body tag. This provides components and utilities. Once done, add the responsive meta tag so the grid and utilities behave correctly on mobile. Make sure to choose the same Bootstrap version for CSS and JS. You'll now be able to apply classes to elements, test a container, and a row to confirm styles load. You next build responsive structure with the grid system. Start by wrapping content in a container. Then add, row, and assign column classes like column D6 or col.lg4 to control layout across breakpoints. Because Bootstrap uses mobile-first rules, define base classes, and then scale up at breakpoints, this gives predictable stacking behavior on small screens. Once your grid is in place, use spacing utilities for margin and padding to fine-tune gaps. Make sure columns total 12 within each row for alignment. You finalize pages by applying component classes and utilities to speed development. Use btn primary for buttons, card for content blocks, and navbar for navigation. Components include built-in markup and area where needed. Then refine with utilities, M3, deflex, text center, and color classes to polish visuals quickly. If something breaks, inspect the dev tools. Missing CSS or JS is common. Also look for conflicting custom styles overriding Bootstrap. Once resolved, your layout and interactivity should work as intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.